Okay, everybody, here we go. Let's practice this problem. So let's list our givens. As always, you want to ignore all the words first and just look at the numbers. So I see 72 meters per second. So I'm going to write down 72 meters per second. I see 5 seconds. Okay. I see a word that's also a number. That word is rest. Okay. That number, which I actually show in here, but if I didn't give you this, you'd still be able to do it, because if you see the word rest, I want you to write velocity equals 0. So v equals 0. Now it says starting from rest, so that means this is initial velocity. Okay, meters per second, that's velocity as well. Okay, and so if we have initial velocity, this must be a final velocity. Seconds, that's time. And then I see what's the plane's acceleration. And it's always important to write what you're looking for too. So A equals question mark. Okay? Now you have your equations, and I'm not going to try to give you a headache real quick, but I have my physics literacy sheet available over here, way over here. I'm going to zoom it out. Look, if you didn't know, if I went too fast, remember that you have your givens, or you have you can fill out your units there, so you have that on you. So if you saw seconds, you could say time, like I just did. Okay, now the equations are right here. Okay, so I have them, and I have crossed them out a little bit, but we have the equations. VF equals VI plus AT. I'll rewrite that one. Oh man, let me try that again. Boom. Let me just rewrite this top one. VF equals VI plus AT. So I have F equals VI plus AT. Okay, so those are my equations, and I have questions to ask. Do I see an XF/D in my list of givens? All right, and that would be if I was given meters, or I was being asked for a distance, and I'm not. I don't see an XF or a D in my list of givens, so that answer is no. So if the answer is no, I'm going to choose that first equation. So I'm going to write that first equation without numbers first. Okay, so I write it out. VF equals VI plus AT. Okay, and I'm looking for acceleration. So now we're going to do a little bit of algebra. I need to get A by itself. I need to work my way outside in, which means first I got to get rid of the VI. So now I have VF minus VI is equal to AT. All right, what's next? I'm going to divide both sides by T. So now I have A is equal to VF minus VI divided by T. Now, I know you probably did it, or you would like to do it by plugging numbers in first. And I won't yell at you about it, but it's better to try letters first. Move the letters around, and that way it's better for catching mistakes. Okay, now I can plug it in. 72, or VF, 72. Minus VI is 0. Okay. Divided by T, 5. So I end up with basically 72 divided by 5 to get my answer. Okay, you can plug that in and get it.